Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 16 by 20 inch canvas that's already pre-primed black. And some colors from my last painting that I enjoyed so much I'm going to use them again. My OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. It's going to spread some of that paint. I'm going to use my tweezers that you can find on my Amazon link, or if you shop it's at no added cost to you and it helps me out. I'm thinking about putting some white down the center, and then I'll deal with the other side after that. Maybe I won't let it be even. Maybe I'll make it kitty corner or diagonal-ish. Unfortunately, I have another one of these OXO omelet turning spatulas, which means I can just grab another one for the white. See how far it goes. I just did a painting yesterday where I didn't have a 12 by 24 inch white canvas and I wanted one, and I painted a black one white. So I know I can make this cover, sort of. Shouldn't be a big deal. I have a brand new tool. Recently I tried to use part of a plastic covered silicone makeup applicator with a chopstick down the middle of a rubber straw, and the straw was super glued to the makeup applicator. That's going in the bucket. The other one's coming back. And I wanted to use it as a swipe tool. Unfortunately, at the time, I had ruined the good side of it. And so I only had the side that made a suction to the canvas. I got a couple paintings coming up like that. I've ordered some more, so I'm going to do it and make the experiment work, hopefully, with the right side. But in the meantime, having had a vast lust for this process, I have scavenged, not a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst mini blade spatula, but I have scavenged one of the spatulas I thought was going to work. It's kind of an odd shape, but I'm pretty sure that it will be a nice alternative, at least for one painting. I'm going to knock that color right off there. I am very tempted to take my Meaden white and add some of it in there, and maybe a little more black. There, all done. Anyway, so how this is going to work is I'm going to put colors that I like together. Oh, those are too similar. And then I'm going to take this weird spatula that I took the handle off of. I'm going to dip it in my leftover black paint. Hope I don't get too much on there. I might. And use it in weird ways. I put the handle on above because I wanted to be able to spin whatever is stuck below. For some reason I'm being called a magenta, and that's fine. Being that this is a first time. I have some gold I had in a cup that needs to be used. If it's stirred up, I will use it. I guess even if it's not stirred up, I will use it. And this is just me playing. I mean, I have to have a first time for everything sort of thing. So why not play? And see what happens as we proceed. Alright, so I have my tool. I wish I had the white, but I think I'm just going to take what's on there. You know what? I want some more gold. Right there. A bunch of it. Sort of like balloon rolls, only nothing like balloon rolls. I'm loving the simplicity of the design right now, especially the cells in the center. It really makes me want to just not do anything else. And then I will anyway because I need to experiment. This is one of those times I just feel like it would be okay to leave my squeeze bottle applied lines. And you never know, I could do that. It happens. So I'm going to wipe this one off, I guess, on my Lolify silicone mat. And then on my studio rag, and that's pretty clean. That's excellent. Let's go. And since I like the purple, the neon purple is great, but it really requires some white in order to maintain its color integrity. That might be one of the reasons why I created another color, the neon purple with the Deco Art Americana, oh, excuse me, with the golden iridescent pearl fine. Wow, that was really messed up. I get a little toasted sometimes. My brain's a little off. This is really cool. I'm just having too much fun swirling things around. I'm going to take that purple, try it with the gold. I got some really neat marks. And I might just decide I'm done way before. No, I'm definitely having too much fun. So if you need the instructions for this, or you want any information from me at all, and you'd like to ask me, please feel free to leave a question in the comments, and I will get back to you. I think I could even use, oh yeah. So I'm thinking I want a little bit more right there. And I'm going to wipe that off one more time. I'm going to call this done really soon. I'm not sure what to do with this down here. I kind of like it, just the way it is. But that doesn't mean I'll stay that way. Multi-use tool. So I will be making more tools as time goes on, because that was too much fun. I'm glad I saved those chopsticks. I like that little ball of gold, but it doesn't mean I won't do something to it. Cool. I like being able to spin this all the way around. I want to put a whole bunch of colors down and then spin, 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 spin some more. But that's not this, because this is too cool to ruin doing that right now. And I love you guys. There's almost 93,000 today, but there's probably over 93,000 by the time this airs. The torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Sometimes I get lucky and I get some patterns too. I see that black blob and I want to blow it out into a shape. You could also wreck some stuff, put down puddles and then wreck, and then dip that tool in there. That was way too much fun. I don't know if it's as much fun from your angle, but I like it from pretty much from all angles. Pretty simple color palette. I'll be doing that again. I'm going to wipe off some dripping paint that I don't need to worry about. Torch some more. I got some really pretty cells and some really cool striations. Some lines. Lots of wavy, spirally, swirly things full of movement. I think it'll take me more than one try to experiment with all of the results from this. Probably like I could do it forever. Anyway, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching them longer. Thank you for watching the commercials. Thank you for watching them when the notifications come out. Those are all really helpful things, and I appreciate any one of them that you do. And those of you who do all of them, you're the bomb. I want to lead that right off the canvas over the edge. So, what can I tell you? My email address, should you be interested in purchasing an artwork, is directly below the first blue link, which is the Linktree link. And you can find my website there, my Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links there, my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and more for checking out my... Oh yeah, this is wild. I love this. This might be the new me. This might be... I might use a variation on this tool to do a really huge canvas I've been hoarding. I painted it gold. That's over the edge. I painted it gold like over a year ago. Took a lot of gold too. It's 3 foot by 3 foot. Wait, wow, that goes on forever. I can't tell where the little silicone mat starts and the painting stops. But we are as zoomed in as I can get. And hopefully, oh, I'm going to run out of time. So, take care of each other, take care of yourselves, check for my drawing that's monthly, and the prizes for the next month's drawing will be included at the beginning of that exhibition video you will find on the end screen of every video in the last 20 seconds. And if you want to join the drawing, then PayPal or Patreon are the ways to donate, and if you donate, you'll be automatically included. My clothing underneath the video has my Oliver print t-shirts and Oliver print leggings and lots of other things, and if you can't find what you're looking for, just ask. Same thing with pixels.com and Find Art America. If you can't find what you want there, and you have the file number and the hashtag from the title of the video, I will add it for you if I can. And I'll let you know by using my email directly under the link tree. It's easpb and the word gallery, Gallery, at gmail.com, all spelled out. My paint pouring recipe is underneath the video. I have 19 lists of 100 videos and topic and genre videos also. You can find them by going to all playlists and created playlists. What else can I tell you? If you have questions, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for the wonderful comments that you leave me to keep my morale boosted. And thank you so much for all of the donations that help keep me painting. We are still celebrating 8,500,000 views. Yay! If you guys are new, please be welcomed. If you're not subscribed, join us. We'd love to have you. If you've been here for a while, thank you so much for being here for so long. I really appreciate your company. And I'll be back. And so will you, hopefully. Maybe tomorrow. I post every day of the week and twice on weekends, and sometimes there's a bonus video occasionally. But I don't know what time I post in the daytime. It's been 10:30 recently, but it's also been in the afternoon and whatever. But on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday nights, it's also at 10 p.m. You guys, bye for now. Thank you for everything. Priscilla out. I love you.